In advance of an emergency, preparation and prevention, drones are able to assist with risk assessment, mapping, and planning. When individuals, businesses, and communities are able to understand and manage risks and plan effectively, they reduce overall damage and losses. Rebuilding and recovery are then able to begin more quickly, ultimately strengthening the resiliency of communities. Small UAVs are one of the most promising and powerful technologies to improve disaster response and relief operations. They naturally complement traditional manned relief by helping to ensure that operations can be conducted safer, faster, and more efficiently. When a disaster occurs, drones may be used to provide first responders with better situational awareness, locate survivors amidst the rubble or flood waters, perform structural analysis of damaged infrastructure, locate where to stage needed supplies and equipment, help direct first responders evacuating casualties, and help extinguish fires, among many other potential applications. Intelligent infrastructure touches the day-to-day life of each of our fellow citizens, and its deployment is crucial to building a stronger and more connected Texas. Revitalizing communities, creating jobs, enhancing connectivity, and providing accelerated emergency response and recovery.